Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? Okay, remember in our yesterday's class we have completed page number 11. There is a slight difference actually in your workbook and in my workbook because this is the last year's version and you are having the latest one. So there is a minor change actually. The last question that we did on the page 11 in your book it is here. So we already did that one yesterday. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So concept already you know about basic and main concept are what we took, like what will happen if we will multiply with 10, 100,000, how the decimal will shift. Yes?
Yes.
Anybody can tell me what will happen to the decimal if we multiply with the 100? Yes, please. Ahmed Hassam, I asked a question. Can you repeat the question? What did I ask? Stay busy with your own stuff. Yes, Abdurrahim. Can you repeat the question so he will also listen? What happens to the decimal if you multiply with the 100? So the decimal will move two digits to the right side. Yes? And if you multiply a whole number with 100, for example, if you have a whole number, let's say the whole number is 5, and you multiply it with, so it becomes 100 times of this one. Yes? Mean what do we do? It will be 500. Mean we are putting two zeros beside. Okay? So this concept already we took in our previous class. By the way, uh, check your Classera regularly because I'm uploading the class recordings there. I'm uploading your classwork there. I'm uploading the assignments there. I'm uploading a worksheet there. Till now I have not uploaded the worksheet, but maybe today I will upload some worksheets. So please check it regularly. Instead of sending me message, sir, I need this, check your Classera account. Flashlight. I never share anything on the WhatsApp because on WhatsApp you will delete, you will miss. On the Classera it will be there. Yes or not? So you can use it whenever you want. Now the question is, Bandar, can you read this question please? Question 12. Can you be loud? Can you be loud? Yes.
I can multiply by
Ingrid says, hmm, good. Ingrid says, I can multiply by 100 by adding two zeros. Explain why Ingrid is wrong. Look at the sentence carefully. She is saying by adding two zeros. You raise hand, you want to add? Yes? Yes, it is also one of the way, but actually she is saying by adding two zeros. Hmm? Uh, there are two ways to answer this one. Thank you. For example, I don't know what actually exactly the writer of the book wants here. What comes in my mind when saying adding two zeros? Adding two zeros, I might take like this one also. For example, if the number is 5, it can be 0 plus 0. Yes? Yes or not? So it will not, adding the zeros will not affect the number. But it was not in my mind before, but maybe the writer of the question is thinking about this case, like by adding two zeros beside the number. Yes? Yes or not? So it can be, there can be two possible ways of this one. Yes, I agree. Like for example, if we have a decimal number, it is 0.075, let's suppose. Yes? And you multiply it with 100. Yes? So So what will happen? You will not put the two zeros beside it. Yes. What will happen? The decimal will shift 2 digits. Mean it will become 7.5. Yes. So we are not putting the two zeros or adding the two zeros. It can be one scenario, this one. Okay, but okay, take it in this sense also. But if it is a whole number, like it's a 75 and you multiply it with 100, then you can make the two zeros there. Yes, that is one of the, yes.
Sir, how 5 plus 0 equal 5? Have to be 5.
Yes, it will be 5. This is one of the way by adding two zeros. But this is more, realistic approach according to the topic. So we can say, explain why Ingrid is wrong. So you can say, because in decimals, in decimal numbers, yes, in decimal numbers, by multiplying with 100, moves decimal two places to the right. Yes. Why are you not working? Alternatively, I have another answer also. Because if you consider this scenario by adding two zeros, yes? Yes or not? So you can say, or you can say, adding two zeros, adding two zeros does not change the number. Yes? But multiplying by 100 increases it 100 times. Yes. One thing remember always, when we read the question, sometimes there can be a lot of meaning that can come in your mind. So I'm trying to give you every possible answer. One possibility is that if you are having, for example, maybe he mean the second case of the multiplication. Yes. By adding the two zeros, he mean putting the two zeros besides. Yes. Yes or not?
Yes.
So that is why I wrote the two possible answers of this one. Maybe if he mean this case or this case, so then it is not every time we put the two zeros besides. Okay. In decimal number, the decimal will move. Okay. It depends on how many zeros are there. Yes. Better write the two options. For example, in 6b, I only did this one. But it's better do, yes, write both, write both. So every possibility, because I'm not making you to just think critically. Okay. Now question 13. Question 13 is flip multiplies a number by 10. Yes. Then again by 10. Then again by 10 mean 3 times by 10. One time multiply by 10. The answer he get multiplies by 10. The answer he gets multiplied by 10. Yes. 3 times he multiplies it by 10. Okay. His answer is 7. Look, he multiplies 3 times by 10. When we multiply 3 times by 10 mean he multiplies 10. Yes. So when we multiply it mean whatever his number was, his final answer is 7 now. Yes. So 3 zeros are there. It means his decimal moved 3 digits to the right after all 3. Yes.
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
So his original, to get his original number, we have to move back the decimal 3 digits. 17 is already there. It means 2 more zeros we need. So we can reach back to his original number, which is 0.007. Yes? While clear or not? Because his final answer is 7. And he got this answer when he multiplied 3 times with 10. So every time he will multiply with the 10, what will happen? The decimal moved already to 1 digit to the right, yes? So he multiplied 3 times. It means he started with the, so he already moved the decimal 3 digit on the right. So if we want the original number, it means we have to come back 3 digits, yes? On the left mean. So it will be, the answer was 7, so 3 digit on the left mean it will be 0.007. Okay? Clear? Very clear. Okay, thank you. Now next one, let me make it slide bigger if it will fit in the screen. Yes, it fit in the screen. Okay, 4 students, Anton, Ben, Cashinda, and Anya each think of a number. There are 4 students, they think of a number. The numbers are 45, 4.5, 0.45, and 0.045. Now we don't know who think which number, but we have some clues for that. There are 4 students, each one, wait, each one think about one number. And the numbers we know, these are the numbers. But we are not sure which student think which number, but we have some clues for that one. Okay? Maybe the students share their answer with each other and after that they give this clue. The clues to, so here we are having the clues for each one of them. Now carefully read the clues so you will be able to know which one has which number. For example, Ben's number is 1000 times smaller than Cashinda's number. You know, when a number is, we say 1000 times smaller, if we say the number is 1000 times smaller, it mean, for example, if I'm saying the Ben's number is 1000 times smaller than Cashinda, so I can say if I'm having here the Ben's number, here I have the Cashinda's number, okay, divided by 1000. Yes, that will give me the Ben's number. Yes, it means Cassinda's number is 1000 times bigger than Ben's number. Yes or not? There are two ways. It's 1000 times smaller, so Cassinda's is 1000 times larger. When a number is larger, 1000 times larger, it means its decimal will be 3 digit on the right to that one. So if you look at this number and this number, yes, this is 45. For example, if you take 45 divided by 1000, it will give you 0.0. Let me write here in the screen area. It will be 45 over 1000 will be equal to 0.045. Yes. Now I can say this number is 1000 times smaller than this number. Yes. No, Ben's number is 1000 times smaller than Cashinda. So it means Cashinda's number is what? 45, yes?
Yes.
And Ben's number will be 0.045. Yes? Because this is 1000 times smaller than this one. Got it or not?
Yes.
Okay, then next. Anton's number is 10 times smaller than Cashinda's number. Now you have to compare. Here is the Cashinda. If I'm saying 10 times smaller than this one, it means 45 divided by 10. Yes? No, it's only 1 zero, so it means 4.5. So it means Anton's number is 4.5. Yes? And then Anya's number is 10 times bigger than Ben. Now I'm having, this is the Ben's number, 0.045. If it is 10 times bigger, mean multiply it with a 10. Yes? Multiply it with a 10, mean the decimal will move here, so it's a 0.45. So I can say it's 0.45. So using these clues, we filled this one. You both are not working. House, why you came here in school? You are not working. Hmm? What it? I will repeat, no problem. Look here, boys. First clue is like the Benz number is 1,000 times smaller than Cassinda's number. Yes. Which one is the largest number of all of them, by the way? 45. If you take 1,000 time of like, if I'm saying it's smaller than 1,000 time, mean you have to divide it by 1,000. Yes. So what it will become 0.045. Am I right? So it means the when the number is smaller, so smaller is 0.045, 1,000 times smaller. 45 is larger. Okay. So that will be the Cassinda's number.
So I don't understand the
If I say, if you compare the numbers, if you compare the numbers, I'm having 45, 4.5, 0.45, and 0.045. Yes. So if I will say, for example, if you compare these two numbers, this number is 10 time of this number. Yes. If you see this number and 45, 45 is 100 time of this number. Yes. And if you compare these numbers, 45 is 1,000 time of. So obviously we will compare these because the difference is of 1,000 times. Yes, that is why we compare them. Now for Anton's number is 10 times smaller than Cassinda. Cassinda's number is this one, 45. Yes, 10 times smaller mean we will divide it by 10. Okay, we will divide it by 10. So when you will divide it by 10, you will get the Anton's number 4.5. And then Anya's number is 10 times bigger than Ben's. So Ben's number we know is 0.045. So multiply it with a 10. So when you multiply it with a 10, it will be 0.45. Clear? Even if you compare Abdurrahim, even if you compare them, you can easily have a comparison. Like this is 45 and this is 4.5. If you compare, 45 is basically 10 times of 4.5, yes, and 45 is 100 time of 0.45. 45 is 1,000 time of 0.045. So 1,000 times comparison you will do for that one. Okay? Abdulaziz, you are not doing the work. Clear, boys? Now, next page 13. This question is on page 13. Okay, maybe there will be slight difference in your case. Yes, it's page 13. The question is asking here. The question is saying, Leila says the number represented in the place value grid. The number represented in the place value grid is the largest number that can be made with 9 counters. She's having 9 counters, okay? And this is the place value grid that is given for her, okay? Now, what she did, she put five counters in 10th place. Excuse me. She put 5 counters in 10th place. One counter, you can see here, one counter she put in the 1st place. One counter in 10th place, yes. One counter in 100th place and one counter in the 1000th place. Okay. 1 second, hold on. Now, she claimed that this is the largest possible number. If I write the number by using these counters, what the number would be actually? Look, there are 5 counters in the 10th place. There are 5 counters in the 10th place. It means this will be 5, yes. One counter is the 1st place. Then decimal. One counter is here, yes. One counter is here. So this becomes 51.111, yes. But she's having 9 counters, and her claim is this is the largest possible number. Do you think she is right?
No.
Yes, she's having 9 counters. If you put all the 9 counters in the 10th place, that will become 90. Yes? There are possibilities. She put all the 9 counters in the largest place. Yes? The largest available place here. So we can get the largest number. Yes or not? One possibility is that she put 8 counter here and 1 here. Still it will be 81. Yes? And in the other places will be 0, 0.
Second question.
So it means we don't agree with her. I can say no. And what is the reason? The reason is that she can get the largest number. Abdul Aziz. She can get largest number by putting all counters in tens place. Okay, this is S. Sorry, it's actually while writing with this digital pen, it's very difficult to hold the pen on this. Okay, so that's why if you don't understand any word, let me know. So you know, if for example, if I put all the 9 counters here, it will be like this one: 6, 7, 8, 9, and there will be no counter here, no counter here, no counter here, and no counter here. It means the number will become in that case 90.000. Yes,
Yes.
got it? So that will be largest possible number. Other possibility is she can put 8 counters here, 1 counter here, and in other places 0, 0. Still it will be smaller number. Yes. Other possibility is that she can put 7 counter here, 2 counters here, 1 counter here, and 0, 0 counters here. Still, so the largest possible number will be this. Oh, these are not. Sorry? Sorry. It will be because 9 counters have completed. I was saying what happened. It's not 9,000, it is 90.00. Mean 90. Mean she's having the 9, a counter is a small, just like a small coin. Okay. So each coin represents a digit. So if for example we are having 1 counter, mean it will be 1. So total 5 counter mean it will represent the digit 5. Okay.